Welcome back to the Cloaked Capitalist. This is my second portfolio update as I continue my journey to building a $1 million stock portfolio. As always, this is not financial advice, just me documenting my progress and sharing my thoughts along the way. It's only been a week since my first video, but I wanted to provide a quick update. I did add a few more shares to one of my positions, but before we get into that, I want to go over something I didn't cover in the last video, my Roth IRA. I opened my Roth IRA later than I should have, in January 2024, about a year ago. Since then, I've been contributing consistently, following a simple yet effective strategy. Each month, I alternate between buying one share of SPY and one share of QQQ. My plan for this account is straightforward. I will never sell, trade, or buy anything outside of this strategy. For the next 39 years, I'll continue purchasing shares of SPY and QQQ no matter how the market is performing. Closer to retirement, I may start shifting into lower volatility, lower risk, higher dividend-paying investments, but until then, my approach will remain unchanged. Why this approach? Most investors understand that maxing out a Roth IRA each year and investing in an S&P 500 index fund is one of the most reliable ways to build long-term wealth. Historically, this strategy has been a nearly guaranteed path to retiring as a millionaire. I'll continue tracking this account's performance and will keep you updated over time. Let me know in the comments if you're investing into a Roth IRA and what's your approach. Now, let's move on to my main investment account. Since my last update, the only addition I made was purchasing 30 more shares of Trulieve Cannabis, TCNNF, bringing my total position to 374 shares. As I mentioned in my previous video, I see significant growth potential in the cannabis sector. Right now, the industry still faces heavy regulatory restrictions, but that's also where the opportunity lies. As more states move toward legalization, and eventually, the federal government, I believe we'll see a massive shift in this market. Right now, major institutional investors and banks are largely staying on the sidelines due to regulatory uncertainty. But once those restrictions ease, we could see a flood of new capital entering the space, driving up valuations across the board. Companies like Trulieve that are already well established could be positioned to benefit the most. Beyond that, the medical and pharmaceutical potential of cannabis is another key factor. As research advances, cannabis-based treatments could become a major part of the healthcare industry, creating another strong revenue stream for leading companies in the space. And this growth potential isn't limited to TCNNF. The entire cannabis sector could benefit as legalization spreads, corporate interest builds, and public perception continues to shift in favor of the industry. I'll continue to build my position in this space and keep an eye on how things develop. Let me know in the comments, are you investing in cannabis stocks? What's your outlook on the industry? Thank you for watching my second video. Feel free to ask any questions in the comments. I'm always happy to discuss the market and share my thoughts. Just remember, none of this is financial advice. I'm simply documenting my journey and sharing my perspective along the way. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates. I'll see you in the next one.